Are you looking for a deluxe gift set for her, or perhaps something to try for yourself? Then look no further. The LoveBoxxx Solo Box Women is the perfect choice for you. It contains various toys for her, and it comes in a luxurious, discreet box with a beautiful design as well. This set consists of the following products. First up, we have Love Balls. Now this comes with a small handle here, so insertion and removal is easy, and it's also flexible to ensure it fits in perfectly. It comes with a weighted ball on the inside, so it's perfect for Kegel training and perfect for pelvic floor training. And it's also very stimulating for the vagina as well. Here we have a luxurious toy bag, perfect to keep all your toys, and it's very discreet to carry around with. Simply pop all of the toys in here using the drawstrings, zip it up like so, and no one will ever know. Over here we have a G-spot dildo. This is very popular and has a curved angle as seen here, which provides wonderful G-spot stimulation. It has a handle just here, which helps you keep control during use. The material is made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch, and it's also flexible. It has slight ribbing at the end just here to provide extra stimulation during use. Just here we have a wand vibrator. As you can see, it has a curved angle, which provides wonderful stimulation for your pleasure spots. The head itself is flexible, and it's also made of a soft silicone material which feels wonderful on your skin. It's perfect for external stimulation on all of your sensitive spots, for example the clitoris or your nipples, or in fact anywhere on your body. To turn on the wand vibrator, press and hold on the plus button, which is the top button, and the vibrations begin. To increase the vibrations, click on the plus button. To decrease the vibrations, click on the minus. And using the middle button, you can change the patterns as well. Wonderfully stimulating. To turn off, press and hold down on the minus button, and it's now off. It's also really simple and easy to charge using the USB charging cable provided. On the back of the wand vibrator, push through the silicone like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. And last but not least, we have our vibrating egg. As you can see, this is no ordinary egg with a rib design and features studs at the top of the egg just here as well. It's not flexible, but it is made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth on the skin and provides wonderful vaginal stimulation. It also comes with a remote control as well, so you or your partner can take control. To turn on the egg, simply press and hold on the button here, and a blue light will appear. This indicates the toy is on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. To change the vibrations, simply click on the same button and see how far you're willing to go. To connect the remote control, press and hold on the bottom button. It's now connected. You can now use the plus button or the minus and decide how far you're willing to go. To turn off, press and hold down on the remote. As you can hear, the egg is now off. Make sure to turn the egg off completely by pressing and holding down until the blue light stops flashing. To charge, it's very simple and easy to do. Unscrew the cap on the tail and using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. So, are you ready, ladies? Why not head over to the link below and find out more information on the Solo Women's by LoveBoxxx. Enjoy this self-love experience and enjoy exploring.